Let's learn the at word family. B, a, t, bat. K, a, t, cat. A, t, fat. A, t, hat. M, a, t, mat. A, t, bat. R, a, t, rat. A, t, sat. V, a, t, vat. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, sat, vat. Oh, that's a rat. Rat, rat. That's a mat. At, mat, mat. That's a bat. Bat, bat. That's a cat. Cat. That's a cat. Hat. Hat. That's a hat. The cat has a hat. It sits on the mat. The cat has a hat. It sits on the mat. The rat has a bat. The rat has a bat.